Elevate your bedroom into a haven of modern luxury with our exquisite furniture collection. At the center is our statement bed, crafted with a sleek metal frame and a soft leather upholstered headboard. Combining durability and elegance, it offers unmatched comfort while setting a sophisticated tone for the entire room. Enhance the space further with our refined dressing table. Featuring a smooth marble top and clean metal accents, it's designed for both style and practicality. With ample storage, it keeps your essentials organized while exuding timeless elegance. Complete the look with our bedside tables, blending clean lines and discreet handles with functional storage. These pieces perfectly balance the room, adding harmony and effortless charm. Every detail reflects contemporary luxury and thoughtful design, creating a bedroom that's as beautiful as it is comfortable.